Hello everybody, Chef Michael is back with a brand new video, and today we're gonna be making a pizza. So first thing, you have to do the sauce. For the sauce, you're gonna need some garlic, oil, a bowl to mix the sauce in, and some basil. So first, we're gonna put the cutted garlic into the bowl. Then you're gonna take your oil and you're gonna put some in. Then you're gonna take your spoon and mix it so it all gets good. So then you're gonna add your basil, just like this much. Yeah, that's good. Then you're gonna get your ketchup. So this is, I don't think it's really enough ketchup, but yeah, that's what all we had. Flip this over. Now we just have to mix. So when there is not much oil left at the sides, you can take the pizza, which is right here, and you can start putting the sauce on. Once it all spreaded, you can add then the cheese. So here's my cheddar cheese. So here we're done putting the cheese on. Now we can put on the toppings. You can use pepperoni, but I'm gonna use just some onion, and mozzarella. So some fresh onion. Guys, I want to let you know that I make good pizzas, not pizzas that made Italians. So we've added the onion. Now we can add the mozzarella in. It's gonna get very nice because it's gonna melt. So that's pretty much it for the pizza. Now we just have to bake it for about, I don't know, like 20 minutes. And it's ready. So see you guys when the pizza is baked. So I've added a little bit more of toppings, and now we can put on the Parmesan. Now it's totally ready. So let's bake it for at least like 15 minutes. Guys, the pizza is done. Now we have to cut it. So here is our cutted pizza. So here it is. Oh, come on. I guess I have to make another one. Here it is. Hope no one takes this time. Yeah, it's looking so yum. Oh, come on. Dang it. It's so good. Everybody takes it from me. I just don't know what to do. This is the final piece. No one will take this. There's only one thing left to do. Is eat it. Very tasty. I like it. The sauce is yummy. Some cheese. If you don't like onions, you don't have to put them on. But I like onions. They get nice and crispy after you bake it. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.